Welcome to our latest video where we dive into the intriguing topic of Apophis, the asteroid with a potential trajectory towards Earth in 2029. Today, we're going to explore the science, the myths, and the implications of this celestial event. In the vast expanse of our solar system, thousands of asteroids orbit in proximity to Earth. These are known as NEOs, near-Earth objects. Among them, one has sparked significant scientific interest due to its once perceived high collision probability with Earth, the asteroid Apophis. But is Apophis still a potential threat to our planet? Is there a predicted impact date? Join us in this exploration to discover more. NEOs, a closer look at near-Earth objects. NEOs encompass all space entities like asteroids or comets, which have orbits bringing them relatively close to Earth. However, the term close in astronomical terms differs from general perception. When astronomers identify a challenge they often face is conveying to the public that although these objects pass near Earth, it doesn't necessarily imply an impending collision. When astronomers refer to an object as being close to Earth, they mean it is within 1.3 astronomical units of our planet. To put this into perspective, one astronomical unit is approximately 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, about the distance from Earth to the Sun. So, an asteroid passing close to Earth could still be over 150 million kilometers away. Despite the vast distances, any object classified as a NEO warrants close monitoring, though it doesn't automatically signal an imminent threat. With over 30,000 registered NEOs, we focus today on Apophis, a massive asteroid that initially stirred concerns about a potential Earth impact. This discussion begins with a historical event in July 1994, when comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 crashed into Jupiter, marking the first. For the first time in history, scientists and astronomers had the opportunity to witness a space object's collision with a planet in real time. This event was the impact of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 slime on Jupiter. For those interested in a deeper exploration of this event, we have a detailed video linked for further information. The Shoemaker-Levy 9 impact in 1994 was a monumental astronomical event, significantly influencing both the scientific community and public awareness regarding the study of near-Earth objects, NEOs. Originally a periodic comet, SL9 had fragmented under Jupiter's intense gravitational pull during a close pass in 1992. 2 years later, these fragments, now a series of cometary nuclei, were set on a collision course with Jupiter. The impact in July 1994 led to dramatic transformations on Jupiter's surface, lasting several weeks, and even altering the planet's color slightly. This event marked the first time humans directly observed the potential devastation of meteorite impacts on a planet. The connection to Apophis. Prior to the SL9 event, there was little interest, even within the scientific community, in researching asteroid or comet impacts on planets. Such occurrences were thought to be extremely rare. However, the SL9 impact fundamentally changed this perception, highlighting that these events are still occurring in our solar system and could potentially threaten Earth. This realization sparked significant concern among scientists and governments, leading to increased funding for projects aimed at identifying potential Earth-threatening objects. Consequently, NASA and other organizations ramped up their NEO observation programs. One of their ambitious goals was to identify 90% of NEOs larger than 1 kilometer in diameter by 2008. This initiative marked a new era of heightened awareness and preparedness in impact risk mitigation. It also resulted in increased funding for scientific research on NEOs and the development of new astronomical telescopes. In the quest to identify asteroids and comets that may pose a risk to Earth, various observatories and research centers have played pivotal roles. One such center is the Kitt Peak National Observatory, KPNO, situated in the Arizona desert, USA, at an elevation of 2,096 meters above sea level. This observatory gained prominence for its role in discovering the asteroid Apophis. Before we continue, we invite you to engage with this video. Whether you like or dislike it, your feedback helps us tailor our content for you, the viewer. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our daily releases. Apophis, the harbinger of destruction. As the global effort to find Earth-threatening objects intensified, observatories worldwide joined in the search. Occasionally, objects on collision courses with Earth were identified. However, further calculations often ruled them out as immediate threats. This pattern changed during a routine observation night. Researchers Roy A. Tucker, David J. Tholen, and Fabrizio Bernardi spotted a small, bright object in their telescope images. This was not unusual for them, as they had previously discovered asteroids using similar techniques. The method involves taking multiple sky images every second against a backdrop of stars. A point of light moving faster than the stars is a cue to investigate further. That night, the scientists conducted an in-depth analysis of the images, considering the light intensity signals and the object's trajectory. Their analysis helped estimate its size. However, it was the orbital calculations that truly alarmed them. They realized this object, over 300 meters in diameter, had an orbit suggesting a potentially dangerous path relative to Earth. The astronomical community was on high alert when it was calculated that the asteroid Apophis might collide with Earth on April 13, 2029. Though not as massive as the asteroid that led to the dinosaurs' extinction, Apophis was large enough to potentially devastate an entire continent. Understandably, the researchers were skeptical of their findings and sought to validate them. To do this, they shared the coordinates and images of the asteroid with observatories worldwide for independent verification. However, tracking such a small body proved challenging. The team at KPNO had only been able to observe it for 2 nights before losing sight of it. Initially designated as 99,942, the asteroid was soon named Apophis, as the likelihood of a collision with Earth seemed high. Contrary to popular belief, the name Apophis wasn't chosen because it's the name of the Egyptian god of destruction. The scientists were fans of the science fiction TV series Stargate SG-1, where a main antagonist, named after the Egyptian deity, aimed to destroy Earth. Following its brief observation, news of Apophis's discovery quickly spread. However, it wasn't until a few months later, on December 18 of the same year, that astronomer Gordon Garrad observed it again from an Australian observatory. As a result, Apophis became a focal point of attention, being the first known object with a significant probability of impacting Earth. But the question remains, is Apophis still on a collision course with our planet today? This query has positioned it as one of the most scrutinized asteroids in recent history. Since its discovery in 2004, Apophis has been a subject of intense observation by numerous observatories and telescopes across the globe, including space-based telescopes, which have provided detailed information about its trajectory. Through various orbital calculation systems developed by hundreds of scientists, the next closest approach of Apophis to Earth has been determined to be on April 13, 2029. Should Apophis impact Earth, experts predict it could strike in a vast area spanning from the Kamchatka Peninsula in Russia to Venezuela. In the days following its discovery, new observations surprisingly increased the estimated probability of impact instead of reducing it, reaching a concerning 2.7% A1 in 37 chance. Given its size of over 300 meters, Apophis was rated as level 4 on the Turin scale, the highest any asteroid has reached to date. The Turin scale is a method used to classify the risk associated with near-Earth object impacts, ranging from 0 to 10. A rating of 0 indicates no or an extremely low probability of impact, while 1 suggests a moderate chance. A score of 2 to 4, like that initially given to Apophis, indicates a significant probability or a close encounter. Ratings of 5 to 7 signify that the asteroid poses a serious threat to Earth, necessitating contingency planning. Levels 8 to 10 are reserved for certain impacts, with 8 implying local damage within a 1,000-kilometer radius, 9 indicating regional destruction, capable of destroying a large country or several smaller ones, and 10 suggesting a global climatic catastrophe that could threaten all life on Earth or even lead to mass extinction. On December 27, 2004, a pivotal discovery was made regarding Apophis. Images captured prior to its initial discovery date allowed scientists to refine the orbit calculations, conclusively ruling out any chance of a collision in 2029. This reevaluation led to a significant downgrade in its threat level, from a concerning level 4 to a reassuring level 0 on the Turin scale. So, rest assured, Apophis poses no immediate threat to Earth. In 2006, further observations brought a new concern. Astronomers speculated that during its close approach in 2029, in essence, Apophis is not expected to pose any threat to Earth during this century. However, with hundreds of thousands of NEOs still undiscovered, vigilance remains crucial. It's conceivable that one day we might encounter an object with a threat level of 8 to 10 on the Turin scale. Detecting such an object as early as possible is key. The earlier we find it, the more time we have to attempt to divert its path, potentially saving our planet from an impact. But how exactly could we deflect an asteroid heading towards Earth? That's a topic for another video. Would you be interested in a video discussing methods to deflect asteroids? Share your thoughts in the comments. In 2004, astronomers discovered an asteroid, later named Apophis, after the Egyptian god of chaos. This 340-meter wide space rock caught the world's attention due to its potential Earth impact in 2029. Initially, the probability of collision was estimated at 2.7%, a figure alarming enough to prompt further studies. Apophis's orbit around the Sun brings it close to Earth every few years. In 2029, it is expected to pass within just 31,000 kilometers of our planet, closer than some of our own satellites. This close approach will be a rare opportunity for scientists to study an asteroid up close, providing invaluable data about its composition and trajectory. If Apophis were to collide with Earth, the energy released would be equivalent to over 1,000 megatons of TNT. Such an impact could cause massive destruction and alter global weather patterns. However, recent calculations have significantly lowered the risk of impact, providing some relief to concerned observers. Despite the low probability of impact, Apophis has been a catalyst for international discussions on planetary defense. Agencies like NASA and ESA have developed strategies to deflect potentially hazardous asteroids, including kinetic impactors and gravitational tractors. Apophis represents more than a potential threat. It's a scientific opportunity. The 2029 flyby will allow astronomers to refine their understanding of asteroid dynamics, contributing to our preparedness for future celestial threats and deepening our knowledge of the solar system. There are numerous myths and misconceptions surrounding Apophis. Some believe it's a harbinger of doom, while others think it could bring about significant change. It's important to separate fiction from science, understanding that while Apophis is a fascinating object, it's not a mystical entity with prophetic significance. Amateur astronomers and space enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the opportunity to observe Apophis. In 2029, it will be visible to the naked eye as a fast-moving point of light in the night sky. This event will provide a unique chance for public engagement in space science and education. Advancements in technology have greatly enhanced our ability to monitor asteroids like Apophis. Telescopes, both ground-based and in space, along with radar systems, play a crucial role in tracking its orbit and predicting future paths with increasing accuracy. The study and monitoring of Apophis have led to unprecedented international collaboration. Countries and organizations worldwide are sharing data and resources, understanding that asteroid threats are a global concern that requires unified efforts. Regardless of what happens in 2029, Apophis will leave a lasting legacy. It has raised public awareness about space and the potential threats from near-Earth objects. It has also inspired a new generation of scientists and engineers dedicated to understanding and protecting our planet. Researching and preparing for asteroids like Apophis also has economic implications. It drives innovation in technology and science, potentially leading to new industries and job opportunities in the field of space research and defense. Cosmic events like the flyby of Apophis also have a psychological impact on society. They remind us of our vulnerability in the vast universe and can inspire feelings of awe and curiosity, as well as anxiety. Understanding these impacts is crucial for science communication. Apophis has also influenced pop culture, appearing in films, books, and TV shows. This cultural impact reflects our fascination with celestial events and the way they capture our imagination, shaping our perceptions of space and science. Apophis might also influence future space missions. Agencies might consider missions to study it up close, using it as an opportunity to test new technologies and strategies for asteroid deflection and space exploration. The Apophis event has spurred the interest of citizen scientists around the world. By contributing to data collection and sharing observations, everyday enthusiasts are playing a vital role in expanding our understanding of asteroids. This collective effort demonstrates the power of community in science. While the probability of Apophis striking Earth is low, it's important to understand the potential environmental impact of such an event. An asteroid strike could lead to significant changes in climate, biodiversity, and even the geography of the impacted area, underscoring the need for effective planetary defense strategies. Earth's history has been shaped by asteroid impacts, the most famous being the one that contributed to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Studying Apophis gives us a window into understanding these historical events and their long-term effects on Earth's evolution. The 2029 encounter with Apophis presents an unprecedented educational opportunity. Schools and universities are incorporating it into their curriculums, using it as a practical case study to teach about astronomy, physics, and environmental science. Finally, Apophis brings to light philosophical and ethical considerations. It raises questions about our responsibilities as stewards of Earth and the ethical implications of potentially altering the trajectory of celestial bodies. These discussions are vital as we continue to explore and interact with our cosmic environment. While much is known about Apophis, there's always an element of uncertainty in space exploration. Preparing for unexpected outcomes, whether it's a change in Apophis's path or an unforeseen discovery, is a crucial aspect of scientific inquiry and planetary defense. After its 2029 flyby, Apophis will continue to be an object of interest. Astronomers will monitor its altered orbit and study how Earth's gravity affected it, providing insights that will be valuable for future asteroid tracking and defense efforts. Beyond the scientific and global implications, celestial events like Apophis's flyby have a personal impact. They remind us of our shared humanity and our connection to the universe, sparking wonder and curiosity about our place in the cosmos. The media plays a significant role in shaping public perception of events like the Apophis flyby. Responsible reporting and accurate information are crucial in avoiding unnecessary panic and fostering an informed and engaged public. The case of Apophis has significantly contributed to the evolution of planetary defense techniques. Researchers and engineers are developing innovative methods like asteroid deflection and fragmentation to protect Earth from potential future threats, using Apophis as a reference point for their simulations and planning. Apophis also highlights the need for comprehensive international space law. As we consider interventions on celestial bodies, questions about jurisdiction, responsibility, and the ethics of space exploration come to the forefront, requiring a global consensus. The potential impact of Apophis has influenced space policy and funding. Governments and space agencies are prioritizing the study of near-Earth objects, NEOs, and investing in technologies that can detect and track these celestial wanderers more effectively. The Apophis scenario underscores the importance of psychological preparedness for potential space threats. Efforts are being made to educate the public on the reality of these threats and the steps being taken to mitigate them, aiming to reduce fear and promote understanding. Artificial intelligence, AI, is playing an increasingly significant role in asteroid tracking and analysis. Algorithms are being used to process vast amounts of astronomical data, improving our ability to predict the paths of asteroids like Apophis with greater accuracy. Research into asteroids like Apophis opens up new economic opportunities, from advancements in mining and materials science to the development of new technologies for space travel and defense. These innovations have the potential to create new markets and jobs. Welcome to Blazovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blazovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe. Live Q and a Sessions with Experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in Live Q and a Sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blazovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.